Hey everyone, it's Diablerie, and I am here today to show off, I guess, my setup and some new additions to the computer and gaming arsenal. We made some room for VR. This thing will get broken eventually as a result, but this fan's been here since before we lived here. It's a nice little grandma fan. It's so sweet. And if I can watch myself as I'm filming, I normally pull this to about right here, but I'll have that thrown over there, and obviously we can't forget about the mic, which I just fucked up. Oh my god. Technical difficulties! But we'll spin this bad boy over, we'll scooch on in, we'll have the green screen behind us, and then I will game on my brand new, as of a few months ago, 27-inch 1440p dual monitors. This is concept art for some cool new designs, and this one is my favorite. I am asleep in my lovely chair, and the dogs are playing the games and trying to get my cheeps. Eventually, these will get finished by the amazing cartoonist. I guess I can call her a cartoonist, artist, Cyborg Seal. You can find her on Tumblr and DeviantArt. So when I'm not gaming, I'll scoot back a little bit, stretch the legs, and just rotate this that way, and the jumbled mess of cords is here. This is like the birthplace for all this. I guess you could kind of call this an unboxing of sorts. If you're not all out of sorts, but if you are, you can have some of mine. We've got ourselves an AMD Ryzen 7 1800X. That's right, the big boys have come out to play. And for that big boy, look, something for the trash can. There he goes. We have purchased an ASUS. That's not how you say it. ASUS ROG STRIX X370F Gaming Motherboard. I'm going to be able to bust up some DDR4 3200 RAM, which I opted to get the G-Skill rip jaws. That is 8 gigabytes times 2, so 16 gigabits. We decided to go with the Corsair liquid cooling H80i Volume 2. I can't really do this with one hand, can I? People with only one hand probably could. So why don't you get on their level, Diab? Oh no. It's Rip Jaws! Oh yeah, my favorite movie is Jaws, and it's saying Rip Jaws. He did die at the end. Spoilers! This is going to replace the back fan of my case. So let's get this BS out of the way here. Trash pile. Oh, by the way, there's two of them. Lovely! It's supposed to be pre-gunked. It's pre-gunked, ladies and gentlemen. It's a nice box, but into the garbage pile you go. I'm so excited to have all these USB 3.0 ports. I'm so excited to have them focus and in view. I really hate everything that's happening right now. There we go. That's a good focus. All you had to do was tap the screen, you dumb schmuck. Lovely ports. Lovely ports. Lovely ports. Damn you, the ports. I know, we're forgetting the CPU. I mean, it's in there. There's not much to show you. Just wanted to tell you. Step 1 is complete. Doing what every proper man should do. Not really. His computer work on the floor, so his tiny doggos can come in and interrupt his hard work. You interrupt my hard work? Huh? Looks nice. What do you think? What do you think? How's it look? You see it? You see it? Look. Oh yeah, chin rubs, buddy. I'm gonna get to work. It's actually finished. Took all day, but we had to unplug and replug everything on the board. We added in a couple hard drives here in this glorious little spot that I didn't even know we had. And everything, all the wiring's on the outside now. So this is a lovely, lovely beast of a clean looking case. You do not want to see the other side of this case with the door off. No siree, but the door fits. So that's all that matters. So we're gonna try to power this baby up and then see what happens. It's like she knew I was about to test out the bad boy. So she came in here to check on me. Yeah, that Swiffer was used for the dust, and now there's a ton more. Gotta clean that up, don't we? Pretty girl. Pretty girl. And you can't really see it, but I'm about to turn the button. Ooh, that was scary sounding. It was like a murk. It was like a fart. Shit's looking good though. What's lighting up over there? What is that? You can't see it. That's the ASUS. Oh my god. This is crooked. That's how it should look. Whoops. Nope, that's how it should look. So nothing's on fire yet. Let's see what happens when I press power. Shit's spinning. Shit's working. Yeah? I think so. It's looking good. I think. It's a real fucking mess, guys. It's a real travesty. I've had to take all the goods out of that computer and all the goods that I put into my old case, redid the wiring. I had to take out of there, put back in there, so I could get some shit running, so I could recover the data from my raids, because somehow on the new motherboard kind of fucked shit up 2 days after I started this. Pretty much done. I'm gonna plug this bad boy up. Talk to you guys one last time, and then try to make some fucking videos. Jesus Christ. I couldn't do anything all weekend. Thanks for stopping by and watching the vlog / unboxing / dog video. The computer is working just fine now. I had to do some reformatting. I had to recover a lot of data, move the data to different drives. I had to reinstall some programs. Everything's working. Everything is A-OK. For now, I'll find out something else that's wrong within the next week or 2 or 3. But it's time to start recording games again. Well, not just yet, because as a friendly reminder, every Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I stream around 8 p.m. United States Central Standard Time for about 2 hours, and maybe I will see some new faces there. If not, that's okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy all the other videos and all the videos to come now that the new system is complete, finalized, and ready to go. We can start recording stuff again, like Don't Starve. Maybe some Don't Starve Together. Don't get your hopes up. Definitely some 7 Days to Die. We'll find some new games this year. We'll try to get a new series of something in the works, and obviously Don't Starve has the Hamlet DLC that will be released eventually, soon, I don't know. But until the next stream, until the next video, I will see you guys next time. Adios, sayonara, aloha, and goodbye. Cropper got killed by a bee.